Hey Keith, my name is Vanessa. I work with Rank My Biz here in Colorado Springs. I shot you this quick video just going over 3 things that will help you beat out your competition online. I don't really want to waste your time and I don't want to waste mine. I know you're super busy, but if by the end of this video you like what you see and you like what you heard, you can give me a call or text and we can chat and we can sit down and talk more about how to beat your competition online. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips I'm giving you and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So the 3 things I want to go over today with you are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically anything that you can see on your front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures. That's a big factor in what Google uses to determine if you are relevant in a search. And it looks like you're saved as a relevant key term. That's awesome. Another factor with content is high quality content that allows you to stuff some keywords into there is really important as well. And one of the things that Google wants to see is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. When I put you into the word counter, it says you have 546 words, which isn't terrible, but making sure that you have enough unique, relevant, high-quality content on your front page that allows you to add in keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search for people that offer your services is really going to help you guys get found in search engines. The second thing I wanted to go over with you today is citations, and if you go and search for a furnace repair, Colorado Springs in your area, the first thing you're going to see, especially in your field, is this Google guaranteed. And these are paid ads, and you have to go through a process of getting your business verified through Google. And if you haven't done it already, I would recommend going and getting this done for you guys. It would give you more high quality leads if you were to do something like this. And then right underneath you see the traditional ads here, but these are really a hit and miss because a lot of people nowadays are using ad blockers. So there's a good chance that they won't see any of this. Also, another reason why is simply because a lot of people now don't click on ads, maybe because they had a bad experience with the ads. But yeah, it's really a hit or miss with those traditional ads right here. So the second thing I wanted to cover with you today is citations, and that has a lot to do with this map section here. And what a citation is your business name, your address, your phone number listed in 2 different directories all across the web. You might be asking yourself, what's a directory and how do I get listed on them? Directories are simply a website out there that allows businesses to add their information and services such as Facebook or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn or Yelp or any one of those websites that allow you to add your business into it. All it'll do is act as another avenue for people to reach you or find you, and the more that you have, the more likely you are to show up in this map section here. One strategy I really like using is looking up the competition and looking up who's in the area and where they're currently listed in, because if it's working for them, it'll work for you. But you don't want to just go out there and get the same amount of citations that your competition has. You want to get more than them, so you're completely dominating them in that area. But that was the second thing I wanted to go over with you real quick, was citations. So the third and final thing I wanted to go over with you guys today was backlinks, and that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. So essentially what a backlink is another website that's linking back to you guys saying that you guys offer furnace repair services, you're an HVAC contractor, that sort of thing. And so that brings relevance and keywords that you're trying to rank for and have people find you with. So I use this tool called Ahrefs, and when I put your URL into here, it can show me how many backlinks you guys have. You have 103 backlinks, and when I put your number one competitor, the Furnace World, in here, they have 649 backlinks, and that is totally beatable by adding some more high quality backlinks and more citations, more keywords. We can definitely beat your competition and get you on that front page of Google. And not to mention, by getting you on that front page of Google, we can bring you in more traffic. Right now you're getting 14 organic traffic, and with them being on the front page, they're getting 553 customers on their website every month. It's completely beatable. So if you like what you've heard, you can take these tips and implement them into your website yourself. If you want to talk more and chat more about how SEO and Rank My Biz can really help you beat your competition, just give me a call. My number is 719-419-8123. Thank you so much, Keith. I hope you guys have a great day.